All City Auctioneers here with another auction video for one of the items in our next auction sale on April the 10th, 2024. Turning around to display a Mazda Tribute. I don't even know if it's a four-wheel drive or two-wheel drive. My guess would probably be a little two-wheel drive, but I'll have to maybe look underneath when I'm shooting the video here. It's running right now because the battery is weak. And it's really hard to show how it sounds if I've got to get my booster pack out. So I will pop the hood and let you listen to the motor. It'll probably take a charge, but I would recommend probably replacing the battery. Let me see if I can find the little release lever here one-handed. Look at that, I did it. Whew, okay, there you go. So, I'll let you listen to the motor. So this is a private or a state vehicle that's come in here. Let me see if I can see what the motor is. 2.3 liter, 4-cylinder, 2.3 liter, 4-cylinder. So yeah, so this is a private or a state vehicle. Now I'm going to try and bend down while I'm on camera here and see if I can see. I guess I should have been looking at the back because these things are front wheel drive and then go to four-wheel drive when they put axles in the rear. Just hold on a sec. Okay, so that didn't help climbing down there to actually see if it was a four-wheel drive or not. 256,544 kilometers. She is up to temperature. It's been idling for a while to try and obviously give the battery a little bit of a charge. Air conditioning, stereo, CD, looks like it's all turned on. There's steering wheel control, so lots of options. Power windows, power locks, cruise control definitely looks like, yeah, right here. So there you go. This is fairly well equipped. I'll just rev it up a little bit for you. And now that let's see if she starts up. Yep, she seems to be taking a charge, so I'll let it run for a little while longer. It's not running out of gas. All the warning lights have come on. Looks like they're all going to go off. Just waiting for that tire pressure sensor one to go off. Yeah, I don't know. It's flashing. I didn't think it was flashing a minute ago. So maybe one of the tires has suddenly gone low. No idea. Anyways, I'll go back to wandering around the vehicle. So pretty straight looking vehicle, not bad. A few marks there on the driver's rear. Mazda Tribute. See, now I'm at the back. I should crouch down there and see if it's a four-wheel drive or not. A little dent right here. There I am in the picture. So fairly clean inside. This looks like it's a little messy, but I think there's a spare tire underneath there maybe. Nope, there's some tools. Oh, looks like push forward and release to get the spare tire maybe. So that stays up. Don't know whether or not that glass lifts or not. So but yeah, overall, looks like a pretty decent car. There's a little more rubs there. Tires appear to be in pretty good condition. They almost look brand new there. So they're Kumho, Kumho. I better open these doors. So yeah, fairly clean inside. Not a lot of staining and whatnot on the seats. Dirt, the rubber mats probably need a good cleaning. There's definitely some staining below in the carpet, so there's that could maybe use a good detail. Here's the other seat here. Rubber mats in the back. Yeah, there's no rips or tears visible really on the seats, so not bad overall. Roof rack, let me go back around the front. I said that those look like they're brand new tires, so no marks on the corners. We don't get a lot of information. Oh, there's a big trim piece missing right here, right across the front. So we don't get a lot of information on these cars. They come in usually through an estate, and the family doesn't know a lot, or an estate manager, because or property manager or something like that, because they don't have a lot of information. So but this one looks fairly good. We drive it around our yard, usually let them run for a while to make sure that everything seems to be reasonable, but they are used vehicles, so expect that you're going to have to make some repairs, because so yeah, so seems to be pretty good overall. Driver's seat, no rips or tears, fairly clean, but definitely lots of staining on the carpeting. You can see that, so there is some staining there that needs to be dealt with if you want, or if not. So this is selling on April the 10th, 2024 from Langley, British Columbia. We are all city auctioneers. Highest bid wins. Oh, and I never did look to see if it was a four-wheel drive. Just a sec. Let me get down there. Oh, that's hard on the knees. Nope, two-wheel drive. Oh, and look at that. Good thing I went down there. Found a little crack right here. So, two-wheel drive, not a four-wheel drive. So, highest bid wins. We're all city auctioneers, and we're located in Langley, British Columbia, and we use the online auction site bcsurplus.com. Hope you get another buy-by auction.